guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Julie Evangelionite, your sugar baby.
Wow!
Okay, so for today's content, another video, another try-on, guys. This is our try-on. So let's see that in 3, 2, 1. Let's intro first.
Nood na tayo ng mga good vibes na mga video natin ni Ate Lia B. Tara at mag-explore, tayo'y mapangiti, mga saya niya na hatid sa atin. Ito ang vlog ni Ate Lia B.
So let's start with this bottom. Okay, this one is army green and cobble kameni jarrell. Alright, so let's go. Let's try it on. Alright guys, so this is the pants. The green pants, guys. So this is the front. Looks like this. Side, back, side, and front again. So, ayan. Cute siya. Medyo mahaba siya. Although okay lang kasi magsushoes pa naman ako. So, yeah. Ganito lang siya. Alright, next one, we have this black short. Ayan. Black short. Let's go. Alright, so this is our short. Fits me right. Here, guys, sa waist ko, may allowance pa tayo. Actually, large size. So here, as you may see, may allowance pa tayo. But here, dito kasi sa aking puwetan, is saktong-sakto. Since malaki ang aking balakang and ang ating butt. Alright, so ganito siya sa front, side, back, side, and front again. Ayan. Again, meron siyang 2 pockets here on the side. And yeah, that's it, guys. Ayan, I love it. Love this short. Pwedeng pang formal, pwedeng, yeah, araw-araw. Very cute. Yes, ayan. It's the same one, same short, but in white. Okay, let's go. Alright guys, so this is the white one. Feeling ko yung white one is much bigger a bit than the black one. So again, this is large size. May allowance pa tayo dito. Ayan. Pwede ko palagyan ng 2 kamay here. And like I said, kung medium size ang in-order ko, kasya din naman siya, saktong-sakto. But, since I have a bigger butt, guys, ayan, plus yung balakang ko is big, much better na kunin natin yung large size para hindi siya super fit sa atin, diba? So, yun guys, this is the white one. What do you think about it, guys? Comment down below. And lastly, we have this romper. Ayan, 2 romper, guys. Nakala nyo dress, but it's a short. Behind. Okay, so let's go. This is in medium size. Let's go. Try natin. Alright guys, so this is the romper. Alright, so this is the front. Again, it's a medium size. Kasyang-kasya sa akin. Ang ganda. So this is the front, guys. Ayan. Side looks like this. Back side. Hurmang-hurma ating kabutihan. Side. And front again. Alright. So, yun guys. What do you think about this romper, guys? Again, here, short siya, guys, ha? Short. But looking like this, it looks like a skirt. Alright? Or dress. Super cutesy. Ang ganito outfit, ano? Alright guys, so that was all for today's video. And yun lang guys, if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Again, thank you so much for watching, and see you on my next vlog. There's more and more and more try-ons. Alright, so see you guys. Love, love, love.